Sir, thank you. We are fine.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's get started.
Alhamdulillah, how about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Mm, Okay, let's get started. In this class, we will see photo editing. This one, camera raw filter. So let me download image. Let's go and flash and flash. Okay, natural image. Natural. Okay, let's work on this image. Download image. Okay, drag and drop here. And this one file opened. Download. I think this one, yes. So this is our image. Let's start editing. Let's work with this image. So first of all, I'm just making a copy. Just drag and drop it here. It will make a copy. So let's make it copy image. Rename it image, and this is main image or original image. Okay, and just hide the layer. I'm just going to hide this layer. Just click here, it will hide. Now there are only one image. So let's get started. So if you want to edit this image with camera raw filter, so make sure that you have used Adobe Photoshop minimum 2018, then you will see this option. Otherwise, if you use a lower version, you will not see this option, camera raw filter. So you can click here. Okay, so first of all, this is when you click here, a new pop-up will be open like this. So it's called camera raw 13.0. So this is version, camera raw version. So if you click here, it will expand. If you click here, it will look like this. So let's make it full screen. So if you click here, you will see before and after. Like, let's go here. Look at this is after and this is before. Just you can compare before and after like this. This is the thing. So okay, let me close it here. Cancel again. Filter, camera raw filter. Okay, this is our image. So first of all, in this right side, you will see lots of option. Let me open my sniping tool. Okay, you will see there are lots of option. This is the option. Then you can play around with your image. That's the option. So let's get started with basic. So if you go there, so first option is profile. You can work with color profile. You can work with monochrome like this. It's convert your image black and white. Then you can also work with your own color profile. So you can do this. So for me, I'm just using original, the color. That means there would be the original color. Okay. So white balance, there are three types of as shoot. That means whenever photographer shoot this image, so you can play around with this with this moment as shoot, or you can click auto, so you can control this one. Then you can also add custom. So for us, whenever you are working with this, so it will automatically change this value to custom. So we are always working on custom. So the first word is temperature. If you go here, it will look at this. The temperature will increase. If you go here, it will be decrease, and according to color. So if you see this, if you increase your temperature in the left side, it will increase with blue color. If you increase on the right side, it will increase your brightness with this green color or blue or yellow colors. So if we increase, look at this, you will see yellow, some yellow things. So this is tint. If you increase there, it will increase this green color, greenish effect, like this. You will see the color greenish effect. If you increase on the right side, it will just create a purple effect. So if you click it here, look at this, it will look like this. So this is exploser, this is expose. So this is also related to like highlight and dark area. If you increase there, it will highlight, it will make your image more brighter. If you make it here, it will make your image more darker. So if your image have darker and highlighting issue, if your image is a dark image, so you can easily increase the value, then it will uh, increase the brightness. If your image have darker brighter issue, you can easily decrease the value. So in this image, I am just decreasing little bit like this. Okay. So contrast is also it's working with the color like this. White is, it will increase little bit, you know what, does little bit increase the whitish area and a little bit darker area like this. If you go here, it will. So for now, let's just use this one. Okay. Shadow, it will increase the shadow. It will affect only the blackish area, like it will infect only this area, like shadow area of your image. If you increase the value, it will increase the highlighted, it will highlighted the area. If you decrease the value, it will darker the area. So if I play around with this, you will see, look at this. Now I'm increasing this value, it will increase this area more brighter, it will increase more brighter. If I decrease this one, look at this, it will make it more more darker. This is shadow means it will work on darker area. So for this image, let's make it like this. Okay. Whites means, if you see here, whitish area, it will affect it on your whitish area on your image like this. If you see this area and this area is whitish. Okay. So if I increase the value, it will affect it only this area, only this two area. You will see, look at this, it will, if I increase the value, it will make more whiter. So if I want to make it darker, I can easily decrease the value. Look at this, now I'm decreasing the value, it will make it more darker. This is the thing. So let's make a blacks, that it's also working on blackish area. If you see here, look, if I decrease value, it will affect it this blackish area, blackish area, whenever it is black. it will affect this area. If I increase this value, it will make it more brighter. Okay, texture means let me zoom this one. Okay, look at this, let's make it 50%. Okay, textures means this area, like this sharpness. If I increase this area, look at this, it will make, look at, if I decrease it will make more blur. So if I increase this area, if I increase this side, it will make it more sharper, like this. So I think 60%, okay, 25%. Clarity, it will increase your image clarity, like it will makes your image more clear. Look at this, if I decrease this size, it looks some hazy, some not clear, okay, blur. So if I increase this size, it will make more clear, okay, like this. If we if you see this building, you will see. So if I make it like this, it will make blur. So if I increase this one, it will make more clear. So this is clarity. Dehaze, you can if you want to add any dehaze on your image, like this, look at this, you can play around with it, like this. Vibrance, it will add a vibrance on your image, like this. If you increase this size, it will look like some bluish effect. If you decrease this size, it will look like some whitish, some gray effect, like this. Saturation is almost same to vibrance. You can play around with it, then you can say this. Then curves. This is our basic panel. Okay, this is our basic panel. Then let's see curves. Curves, if you see here, there are 4 types of color: the white, red, green, blue. You can play around with individual color. Like if you want to play around with red color, if you have any red color, look at this, we have some reddish color. So you can add the reddish effect on your image, like this. Then the the red area will be more sharpened, like it will be more clear, like this. If you want to play around with green color, in this image we don't have any green. Look at this. Whenever I click here, you will see the green area, like this one. So you can play around with this green color, like individually. So then if you play around with the blue color, you can play it. And if you want to play overall on this image, so you can, if you decrease the size, it will make your image more darker. So, and if you increase the size, it will make your image more brighter. So that's the things. Then you can also play around with this highlight. It will increase the highlighted area, like this. Light area, it will increase the lighter on your image. Darker, it will increase it will makes your image more darker. And shadow, it will affect it on your shadow area, like this. Details, you can work on details like sharpening. If you increase the value, it will makes your image more sharper. Noise cancel, sometime in on your image have some noise, so you can decrease this size, you can decrease the value, then you will see. Color noise, if you have any color noise issue on your image, so you can easily play around with it. So color mixer, if you want to mix any color in your on your image, like red, if you increase look at this is red. For this image, I have this area, this is my reddish area. So let's say I want to increase the red more, I want to make it more red, I want to make it more clear. So if I increase the size, if I decrease the size, you will see the difference like this. It will make, look at this, in 100% it's look like something more clear. If I make it 0, look at this, it will look like something else. So if you have any yellow area, we have the green area, this one. So you can increase this value, so it will make more clear. It's just individually, if you want to play around individually, uh, if you have lots of colors on your image, so you can play around from here. You can increase the value, then it will change it. Color grading, so this is another thing. So if you want to add any color grading, like any coloring effect, so if look at this, if I increase from here, this is my uh, uh, this is green area, okay, and this is blue area, and this is red area. Green, blue, red, that means RGB, red, green, blue. So you can increase the value. If I increase this like this there, then it will works it will works it will affect it on my whole image. So if you want to play around with individual, like on the shadow area, for shadow area you can add this. Look at this, that was our shadow area. This area and this area was our shadow area. So I'm just changing my color to this, to blue. So on my shadow area, only blue color will be affected, only blue color will be applied. Okay, so highlighted area, that means this area. If I make this area to this color, uh, or this green color, you will see on my highlighted area, it will only green color will be added. Look at this, on the highlighted area. So the first one is overall. If you change, it will change overall your image. And the shadow area, that means you can only, this color will only apply on your shadow area. And the third one is highlighted area. If you play around, if you change value, it will apply on highlighted area. That's it. That's it. Then optics, you can change your image like this, like image position. So vignette, geometry, then effect, grain, if you like this, grain, vignetting, and the collaboration. This is your overall. If you want to add any tint effect, so you can do this. So let me go color area. So if you want to reset this one, so let's say I want to reset this color grading for this image, so you can press Alter. Once you press Alter, you will see this one, reset color grading. If I click here, it will reset. So if I want to reset another one, so let's say color mixer, so you can press Alter, then click here, it will be changed. So if I click OK, we will see the before and after. Okay, so this is our this is our original image, then after. Before, this is our original image, so then this is our after working with the camera raw. So this is the thing. I think it's look more attractive. Okay, got it. Any question?
No, we don't have any question.
Okay, let's work with another image. So Okay, let's work with this image. Let's say we want to decrease this brightness for this image, so let's download this one. Okay, okay, let's drag and drop it here. So let's say for this image had lots of brightness, so we want to make it more darker. So first of all, let's make it copy so that we will see before and after. So click here, then camera raw filter. Okay, so first of all we will decrease the brightness, so that we will just change this payload to this. Okay, so in this image decrease our let's increase our let's increase blue area, blue color. So let's go here, color mixer. Okay, here, so bluish. Okay, let's decrease this size. Okay, okay, so let's play around with exposure. So we'll make it like this. Okay, contrast, let's decrease this size like this. Okay, shadow area. So let's white is this one. Let's decrease this size so it will make dark effect on this image. Black, let's decrease it more. And texture. Okay, then clarity. Okay, then curves, let's make it more darker like this. Okay, the lighter area, let's make it more darker. Detail, sharpening, let's make it little bit sharper. And color noise. Okay, the color grading, let's add some yellows effect or like this. For shadow area, let's add some. Okay, okay, grain, let's add some grainies. Okay, and this is our image. So if you see here, this before and after. Before it looks more brighter. After editing on camera raw, it will looks like this, like this, before and after. This is our original image. After working with camera raw, it will look like this. Okay, got it.
Got it.
Okay, let's work with the main image. Okay, so main image. Okay, if you see here for this image, you will see there are lots of color. So this is green color, this is one kind of reddish color, so there are lots of colors. So if you work for this image, you can play around with this image because this image has lots of color. Okay, so Okay, let's work with this image. Okay, whenever you are starting image editing, the first thing is you have to find out the fault area, like the issue. So as before image, whenever we are downloading, we see that for this image we have some exposure issue, so that we can just decrease our brightness so that it will makes more attractive. So for this image, for any image, first of all you need to find out the fault area, like for which area you need to work. So let's start. For this image, I think we can play around about with exposure, or we can make this one more focus, like this scroll. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing is first thing. Let's see, let's add some bluish effect for this image, like this. Okay, exposure, I think we can decrease, or we can make it like this. Okay, we want to focus only this scroll. Okay, so highlighting area, let's decrease this one. Contrast. Okay, so whitish area, this area we want to make it more darker. Black area, texture, clarity. Then the haze, then curve. No, we don't need to work with curve. Details, then makes her more sharper. Okay, noise, let's cancel this noise. Okay, then color mixer, reddish color, let's play around with red color. Okay, no, let's decrease this. I'm working on this. Okay, this is green color, I think yellow color. Okay, we don't need to work with purple or magenta color. Color grading, let's add some lighter color. Okay, for shadow color I want it a little bit darker. For highlight, okay, optics, okay, then let's hit okay. Okay, so the first one was, it's look brighter. So after working with camera, let's look something like this. This is original, and after working with camera raw, it's look like this. Okay, okay, let's work. This is our last image for today, so drag and drop it here. Okay, for this image we can start with the face. So let's say photo retouching. Okay, so this is our cancel. So for this image, if you see, this side is like brighter and this is look more darker. So if you want to make this one and this one same, so we can do this with brush tool. So brush tool, then first of all you need to collect the color, this color. So you have to go eyedropper tool, then click it here, it will collect it color, this color. Okay, then go to brush tool, then make sure your brush opacity is 25 and flow would be 25. Okay, so now now we have color. So we have already collected the color with eyedropper tool, so you can just like this. Let's check this little bit. Yes, let's collect this color. For this area, let's collect this one. Okay, for this area, let's collect this color sample. Okay, for this area, let's collect this color sample. Okay, for this area, let's collect this color sample. Okay, so for this is also darker area. So for this area, let's collect this color sample. So you can let's collect this one, this color sample. Okay, now if you see, this is your original image. This area was brighter, so this is your before and after, before and after. So if you also work on there, so you can just collect color from the brighter area, then you can just change this one like this. So if you also play around here, you can just collect color from this area. So this is your original image. In the left side there are lots of, this is darker. After working it will make better. So so in this way you can just fix your problem if you have this type of issue. So in this way you can just fix your problem like this. If you have this type of issue on your any image, you can fix it. Got it, everyone?
Got it.
Okay, so let's work this image with camera raw filter to make it more attractive. So in this image we will work on texture. So let's go here, camera raw filter. So I think light, let's make it okay. Exposure is good, I think. Shade area, let's make it more darker for highlight area. Let's make it like this. Okay, texture, let's increase the look at this. For this image, let's make it 33%. Okay, if we increase the texture, it looks it will edit like something like this texture. So if it decrease the texture, it will make your image more blur, but it's make your image clear. Okay, like this. Clarity, that's it. So in texture, you can whenever I complete this image, you will set different on face effect. Like I have decreased the texture size, and I have increased that clarity, so the face glaze will be changed, okay, with original image. So, and the another thing is sharpening. If I work with sharpening, where is it? Yeah, sharpening. That means sharper. Okay, if I hit OK, you will see the difference, the phase difference. Like this. Look at this. For this image, it looks some orangey effect. Okay, it looks some orangey effect. Which one is regular? So if you click any image, it will see this type of like orangey effect. But after working with only texture, clarity, and sharpening, it will make your face more clear, and it will make your face more sharper. So in this way, if you want to make any image more sharper, more clear, so you can easily work with camera raw filter, and you can easily go camera raw filter, and you can easily use texture, clarity, and sharper. Only these three options, it will make your image more clear and more sharper. You will see the difference. Yes. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's it for today. Just everyone work with camera raw filter, and maybe from the next week we'll start our class with Adobe Illustrator. So make sure that everyone install Adobe Illustrator on your laptop. That's it. That's it for today. Any question?
No, I don't have any question.
Okay. So Allah Hafiz. Thanks for joining today's
Allah
lesson.
Hafiz.
No
Okay.
question, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Allah
you.
Hafiz.